Yesterday I got a call from Byju's counselor and it was a very beautiful interaction with them. I portrayed as a parent of a kid who is studying in first standard and they were forcing me to buy their Byju's early learn courses, and it was a very fun conversation. Sadly I didn't record it, otherwise I would have pasted it in this video to for you viewers to watch it. So first let us discuss about what is Byju's early learn. Byju's has partnered with Disney to make courses for LKG, UKG students and from first standard to fourth standard. The main point of making this video was why you need to pay 30,000 rupees for buying Byju's early learn stupid courses for first and second standard students. I mean, you are teaching them how to add numbers 2 plus 2 and ABCD for 30,000. I mean, we all studied in first or LKG or second standard, right? Did you go in tuition when you were in first standard? Did you pay 30,000 rupees to study ABCD and how to add two numbers? No, right? Then why you are buying Byju's early learn courses? It's a stupid move. I would suggest you not to buy it. You should also not give mobile phones and tablets to younger kids. Now younger kids like LKG, nursery and UKG students are learning from their tablet and mobile phone, and as we are in the pandemic, it's a necessity to learn. But after this pandemic is over, people will be more comfortable and students will be more comfortable studying at school rather than these tablets and mobile screens. I mean, Byju's is clearly selling their high ticket courses for a LKG kid, and that's why the Black Cat Senior, I won't take the name, ads were banned by government because they were pressurizing their parents. And yesterday when I was talking to this Byju's counselor, he was really pressurizing me. He was just saying me that if you buy this 30,000 rupees courses, your child will get, he was almost promising me that your child will get 90% plus marks in all the standards from first to 10th. But I think doing this false promises, like if you buy this course, your child will score anything, your child will be next Albert Einstein. Stop marketing yourself, stop marketing your courses in such a way that it's very much important for every freaking child on this planet. And the problem is that rich people might buy it, they have the money, but what about the people who actually don't have the money and they are taking loan and they are enrolling their child into such courses which are not even helpful? The main problem in India is that parents force us to go to a specific degree and they more focus on this education and rather than the skill. Skill is more important than education, because every freaking child on this planet will not be comfortable to study in schools and colleges and be a doctor or engineer, because that's what the end goal is of parents. They will easily spend around 2 to 3 lakh rupees on their education and on their BTech, but they will not give you 500 or 1000 rupees to invest in any online course which will teach you practical skills. And that is the problem. I mean, every parent will take loan, and because they think that getting 98% means your child will be successful. It's not like that. Please understand, don't fall for such gimmicks. And Byju's is purposely pressurizing their parents. Their whole marketing plan is to pressurize their parents, and to pressurize them that if you don't buy this course, आपके बच्चे का कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता. Don't buy such courses and stupid courses like Byju's early learn in their early age. Let them play, let them learn some other skills, let them learn how to respect others and all the other communication skills. I think there is a lot to learn in the early age, and all the things as I told you in the video are my opinion. If you have some points to debate, comment section is always open to you. I'm free to debate. As you have watched my earlier videos, I comment to each and every query which any student and any parent is asking me in the comment section. I'm ready to help you. Please ask your queries in the comment section. I'm ready to help you in anything. If you have any query, please connect with me over Instagram. Jayantapte25 is my username, or Facebook @Jayantapte. I would be more than happy to help you in any way. So that was the video and that was the rant, and I hope I thank you so much for watching this video. And please subscribe to my channel, as I don't make such rant videos. I make educational videos about business, finance and case studies, and some Byju's and Vedantu related videos, educational videos and tech related videos. So if you are interested in such topics, please visit my channel and you will find more. You will find amazing videos there. Please watch them. Please subscribe to my channel. Please leave a like. Please share this video who are interested in buying Byju's early learn courses. And yeah, that was the video. This is Jayan signing off. I will catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye. Thank you so much.